Oh, 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 oh. What have I got myself into? Oh, 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 oh. What have I got myself into? First logs at the building site, and I must say that I thought that the logs were in better condition than they actually are. So that got me doubting, is this all worth it? Like, for real. I am reviewing my options, doubting the size of the building. I know I can patch things up like I did with the cabin. So for example, if you have a door and a window, then you can use shorter pieces. But yeah, I will show you. So yeah, this is what you don't see from the outside. So, you know, lots of rotten spots, and it is difficult to get a full 6 meters out of a wall when you have these rotten spots inside there. And another thing is that there were connections with inside walls. So yeah, that makes it difficult. And well, I guess I will sleep on it, or maybe not sleep but think during the night, because yeah, this you know, things are not what it seems when you start a project like this. So yeah, well, I guess I will just start with the foundation, and if I can make the foundation 6 by 6, then at least I have a porch, and I can see if I can build the cabin still 4 by 6 meters if I do it maybe in parts. It will be a bit of a puzzle, that's one thing that's for sure. But yeah, well, we will just make the best of it and see how far it goes.